Growing tomatoes on terrace garden is very easy and could be very successful if you follow these 10 steps that I will provide. 1. Pick a good area. Place it where they'll receive at least 6 hours of sun. If area aren't near a water source, make sure you can get a garden hose to them, or don't mind lugging a watering can around, because tomatoes need steady moisture supply. Group them together, but not so close that leaves rub against each other. That can help spread disease. Grouping them helps shade the root zones of the plants in the inner area, which can be helpful when plants are sitting on concrete or an asphalt driveway, both of which absorb and reflect heat. 2. Find the best tomatoes for you. Whether you want to grow tomatoes for snacking, cooking, sandwiches, slicing, or all the above, there are loads of varieties for you to choose from on our website bonsaiplantsnursery.com. 3. Choose the right area. Those seedlings may look small now, but a full-grown tomato plant needs a lot of space for a strong root system. For maximum production, the ideal area size is 18-inch diameter for determinate tomatoes and 24-inch diameter for indeterminate tomatoes, but for best results, stick with the smaller patio or bush-type tomatoes, such as Better Bush, Bush Goliath, or Patio. No. 2. That tomatoes in smaller area require more watering and feeding. 4. Use premium quality aerating soil. Garden soil from planting beds tends to be too heavy and may contain disease organisms. Tomatoes are susceptible to diseases, such as blight, and pests, like nematodes, that can hang out in soil, and one advantage of growing in area is that doing so can reduce outbreaks. Fill area with premium quality aerating mix, such as aged compost enriched Miracle-Gro Performance Organics, for best results. Light and fluffy, it will provide plenty of space for air and moisture move through the soil. 5. Plant tomatoes properly. Be sure to dig a hole deep enough to cover 2/3 of the tomato stem to encourage more root growth. As a rule of thumb, wait to plant until after your area's last frost date. If a chilly night threatens, cover area with a frost blanket and swaddle them with blankets, straw, or burlap for extra protection. 6. Add support. Insert a support when you plant each tomato, as doing so later on may disturb the growing roots. A traditional tomato cage or stake works well for determinate types. Use a string trellis, tall stake, tomato tower, or sturdy cage for indeterminate tomatoes. To create your own tomato cages, bend metal fencing or hog wire into a cylindrical shape, then use wire to connect the ends. Insert it into the soil or slip it over the outside of the area, then secure it to stakes driven firmly into the soil. 7. Cover the soil. When planting tomatoes in area, keep the soil at least 1 inch below the area rim, so you can add a layer of mulch to help keep soil moist. You can use traditional mulch materials, like straw, shredded bark, chopped leaves, or newspaper, minus the glossy circulars. Paper decomposes quickly, especially in hottest regions, so plan to refresh the layer as needed during the growing season. 8. Water regularly. Proper watering is a big key to success for growing tomatoes in area. Keep soil consistently moist, but not saturated. Inconsistent moisture can pave the way to blossom and rot. Use the finger test to see if a plant needs water. If the top inch of soil is dry when you push your finger into it, it's time to give it a drink. Plants larger than knee-high can require almost daily watering once summer heat arrives. A drip irrigation system can help reduce the time you spend holding the hose, and will pay for itself quickly if you're raising a large crop of aerated tomatoes. If you are only tending a few area, time spent watering provides an opportunity to inspect plants and keep an eye out for problems. When summer vacation beckons, line up someone to do the watering if you hope to still have tomatoes to pick up on your return. 9. Feed your plants. While starting with premium aerating mix will give your tomato plants a nutritious start, for best growth, you'll want to continue to feed them regularly throughout the growing season. Fertilize them with a continuous release fertilizer like Miracle Grow Performance Organic Seedibles Plant Nutrition Granules. It will not only help your plants grow strong and produce lots of juicy tomatoes, but it contains calcium to help protect them against blossom and rot. 2. As with all fertilizers, follow package instructions. 10. Clean up at season's end. Remove spent tomato plants from the area at the end of the growing season. If you plan to use the same area to grow anything in the tomato family, think tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, aerates. During the following season, you'll want to start with fresh soil. Discard any remaining soil. Wash and scrub soil from area. Then sterilize them by wiping or spraying with a solution of 1 part bleach to 10 parts water. Follow these 10 simple tips and it won't be long before you'll be reaping the rewards in the form of plump, juicy tomatoes.